Know the Way to San Jose, written in 1967 by Hal David and Burt Bacharach, made famous by Dionne, Warwick, and many others. I have it capoed up here on the 5th fret. Everything I say will be relative to the capo, so if I say I'm playing a G, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly a C. Miss Warwick sings it in the key of C, and so that's why I have it capoed up here on the 5th. This first section is... just a 1, 4, 5 and G, which is a G, a C, and a D with an F sharp bass. So the first chord is a G, and the melody is B, A, B, D, and then you go to a C chord. Hitting your E is your melody on the first string, and then A on the 4th string, A, G, A. So it's... And then you go back to the G chord, and that is A, G, A, B on the 2nd string, and then G. So these first couple of chords are. And then you go to a D chord with an F sharp bass. And that melody is on the 3rd string A, and then the open D. F sharp here on the 6th string and the open 5th string. And I usually put back and forth on those. So this first run is... And then it repeats. This next part is a B minor and an E minor and a B minor, E minor, and B minor. So the way that's done is B minor starting on the F sharp on the 1st string, E, D, C sharp, E minor, so it's C sharp, D, E, and then back to the B minor, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, E minor, hitting the B for the melody, and then an E, and then C sharp, A, both on the 2nd fret there. And then you go back to a B minor chord hitting the B note as your melody. This is B note on the 4th string. Then you move to the B note on the 5th string, hitting the G sharp as your bass. Staying on that B note on the 2nd string, you go to an A in the bass, which is an A minor 7th chord, but it's melody, it's an A in the bass, and the melody is B, C, D, and then G on the 1st string, and then you go to a D chord with an F sharp. So the B minor part looks like this. next part. first chord here is an A minor 7. Back to a D. That A minor 7. You hit the C, D, G on the first string. Open E on the first string. And then a D chord hitting your F sharp on the first string. And then it goes D, E, C, D. All a D chord. And then you do this 3 times, which is a B, C, B, D. And then B, C, B, A, but when you get to the A, you move to the F sharp in the bass for your D chord. And then it goes back to the beginning of the song. So this part looks like this, starting with the A minor 7. Back to the beginning. And then you do this run. And that's starting up here at 7. 5, 3, 2, 1, D, C, B, A, back to B. And you do that in between the melody part.